So, dito ngayon, this afternoon, I would like to show you a comparison kung gaano ka-superior at gaano ka-powerful yung aking solution. I now would like to demonstrate the potency ng ating drink, kung pagtawagin natin chart. Each box has 12 sachets, no? So I want to take this experiment to show you, compared to normal commonplace and more popular drink, itong ating yellow energy drink, itong ating red energy drink versus recharge. Now to demonstrate that, I will try to use yung tinatawag kong bulk test. And ito, we have to be very careful pag ginagawa natin ito. Make sure walang bata na malapit, and make sure lahat ng mga utensils nearby dry. So ngayon, nakakabit ang aking bulb sa isang common outlet, no? So I want to show you first, okay, before anything else, how much light can be produced kung sakaling ilagay natin to sa ating yellow energy drink. Okay? Let the bulb speak for itself. You see? Nakita niyo po yung illumination? We get a minimal illumination. Konti yung ilaw. Okay? That states magkanong electrolytes na nandun sa ating solution. Ngayon, ito naman ating red energy drink. Let's see how much electrolytes or how much conductivity we can get. Okay? Seemingly, we get more. Diba? So now, para lalong ma-highlight natin yung epekto, I will take a mini electric fan. Pagkatapos po niyan, isasaksak ko dito sa ating bulb. And take note, no? Just the same, supposedly dapat mapailaw niya to at mapaikot niya. Take note. Okay? So we get the light, but seemingly, no vibration. No? May vibration, pero walang rotation. Okay? So proceeding further, tingnan naman natin itong red energy drink natin. Tingnan nyo yung ilaw, and at the same time, kung mapapaikot. You see? Seemingly, mas malakas yung ilaw, and at mas malakas yung tunog ng ating vibration. Now, we'll go to yung ating main menu, ating main course. Can we charge like this 100-watt bulb, and at the same time, make this fan revolve. So without much ado, ano sa palagay niyo? Okay? Your guess is as good as mine. So dito makikita nyo ngayon that this recharge can light fully ang ating 100-watt bulb, and at the same time, make this electric fan revolve, which only proves na mas maraming electrolytes, mas maraming minerals itong ating solution. So ano yung ibig sabihin nito? Ano yung implication? Ang implication nito, this explains why when you drink recharge, you feel the energy. No? It's good for the brain, good for the lungs, good for the heart, good for the stomach, good for the body, good for the bones, good for the muscle. No? Panlaban sa stroke, panlaban sa asthma, heart attack, indigestion, diabetes, cancer, and all sorts of disease. No? Mas maganda to. It makes us brighter, stronger, more alert, more alive. Yun ang kinaganda po ng ating solution. No? Kung pag inom niyo po nito sa umaga, you will feel parang may surge of energy kayo. No? Kung iinumin naman nyo to, so energetic kayo the whole day. Pag iinumin nyo naman nyo to sa gabi, meron itong relaxing effect. Mararamdaman nyo na makapasarap yung tulog nyo. Sa mga tao nagbabasketball, halimbawa, 4th quarter na, pagod na kayo. Pag nag-inom kayo ng recharge, magugulat kayo. Bakit? Kasi yung energy na nakukuha nyo, parang 1st quarter pa rin yung legs ninyo. Yung napakaganda po nito. Not to mention the fact, kung panlaban natin sa mga killer diseases, it would be very nice to see na itong ating recharge pala can prolong life. No? Sabi nga nila, approved therapeutic claim, pero may proven therapeutic effect. Now, to highlight this, ang kinaganda po nito, gusto ko yung demo, hindi lang yung ating drink, hindi pati yung ating sabon. No? Hindi ito. Ang common soap, normally, ang common soap natin, wala ka makikita ang energy. No? Hindi ko nababanggitin kung ano to. Your guess is as good as mine. Pero ito yung pinopromote namin Kochik soap. Tingnan niyo po. Can it make the bulb light and the fan? Tingnan natin. I hope it will. Okay. Nakita niyo po. Bakit? Kasi po itong sabon natin, rich in minerals. No? Panglaban po yan sa acne. Kita niyo, meron pang to the point na talagang grabe yung power. No? Ito naman, panlaban sa mga dark spots. Okay? Para i-whiten yung skin mo. Ito ating Gluta soap. Just the same, no? Makikita niyo po dito. ganun din yung energy, no, na produce, no? It's able to make this bulb light and at the same time the fan revolve. Ngayon, hindi naman po siyempre magpapahuli itong ating tinatawag na anti-aging soap, no? Just the same. Can it make the bulb light? Tingnan po natin, no? Your guess is as good as mine. So dito po sa ating experiment, gusto ko lang i-prove sa inyo na hindi lang po yung ating solution is full of power, maging yung ating soap. Kaya hindi kayo magtataka pag ginamit nyo ito, nawawala yung pimples nyo, nag-whiten, nasi-stretch, may anti-aging effect, no? So you drink this to give you energy inside, and you use this externally para lalo kayong magmukhang bata. Yun lang po ang aking munting demo. So, salamat po. I hope you enjoyed this demo. I hope it was informative. Thank you very much.